this point.
Oh, beautiful weather, Tiffany. I rode my bike 16 miles today.
Nice.
I was sweating. It was hot and humid, but I did dodge a lot of the showers. So we are going to see that pattern once again for tomorrow. So early start to the rain. Second half of the day, most of the rain should be inland, but we'll talk about that in just a bit. Here's a look, 1 hour time lapse on the radar. We do have a few showers just off the coast of the Treasure Coast. That's sitting around 50 miles away. This is moving off to the northwest, so we can't rule out seeing a few more passing showers for the Treasure Coast and a few more developing in the Atlantic as we go throughout the rest of your evening. So just a good thing is to keep the umbrella close by for that. Looking further south, look at all those showers and storms just heading towards the Keys, down to Key West, all the way into Marathon, and even as far south as South Miami. They're going to be dealing with the on and off rain as we go throughout the next several hours as well. But for us, a little bit drier for now. Of course, we are going to see rain chances going up just a bit. Here's a look at our visible satellite. Really useful during daylight hours, but you can really see where all that sea breeze activity is. West Coast once again, but take a look off to our east. Notice something there into the distance, and as you look into the bigger picture, notice the motion counterclockwise. This is an upper level low, and it is inching towards Florida. What this will do, at least for tomorrow, is give us the potential to see a few strong storms and even an isolated severe storm by the afternoon. So we will be on the lookout for the potential for those strong storms for tomorrow. But as we look into the bigger picture, though, at least for the next couple of hours, no strong storms are intended. West Palm Beach looking gorgeous, few clouds off into the distance, very summer-like with temperatures in the upper 80s today. Average this time of the year 90 degrees. So again, right on track for where we should be for this time of the year, especially with the southeast wind. We have temperatures at 87 degrees, east wind, that's at 14 miles per hour. Factor in humidity, still feeling close to the upper 90s. And we're gonna see temperatures running in the 80s between now as we go throughout the overnight hours. Rain chances at around 20%, but I do think we could wake up to the early start to some storms. So 6 to 8 o'clock in the morning, I have the impact graphic icon up just so you know there's an opportunity for some storms. Could be a little bit on the strong side to start you off for the day. Here's our future track over the next couple of hours. Few more showers do work their way in from the Atlantic as we go throughout the overnight hours. Stop the clock around 6 o'clock in the morning near sunrise. Well, we could see a thunderstorm work its way onto land along Jupiter, pushing inland, and that'll be the story for the first half of the day. We're going to see a few storms piling up along our coastal communities and driven by that east to west wind. And because of the upper level low, that's when we could see the potential for some of those showers and storms to be stronger by the time they reach Lake Okeechobee and the other half of the state. So pretty much the entire southern portion of Florida into central Florida, we are under that marginal risk, which means the isolated chance for that isolated thunderstorm that could be strong with winds up to 50, even a severe thunderstorm with winds into the 60s and some small hail. So looking at our water vapor, there's our upper level low that we do have off towards the Bahamas. This will be drifting over us shortly. And then as we look even further south, here's our next source of rain later on in the week. By Tuesday, this tropical moisture is not going to develop, but we are going to see some higher rain chances eventually for Tuesday. So that means a little bit more widespread. So let me take you through the rest of your Sunday into Monday. Again, waking up to a few spotty showers near the coast, pushing inland later second half of the day. And then here comes that tropical moisture for Tuesday. So that means, again, a little bit more widespread coverage with some heavy pockets of rain at times is expected with the isolated thunderstorm. For the beach and boaters out there for tomorrow, just keep in mind a few storms to start off the morning. Second half of the day, most of the storms will be inland, pushing towards Lake Okeechobee and the western half of the state. Water temperature is warm at 83 degrees. So there's a look at your first morning forecast. Temperature is pretty much in the upper 80s every single day. We do see some of that Saharan dust finally work its way in by Thursday, Friday, giving us slightly drier conditions. Of course, still steamy with temperatures in the upper 80s. Rain chances at around 20%. That's your first morning forecast.
All right, Brooke, thank you. Federal